Yo, what is up, boys? Welcome to another YouTube video. It is Wednesday, market's already open. As you can see, it's 9:35, and we are kind of ranging, stalling in this area. As you can see, ES is going down, NQ is going up once again. 50-minute is not that great, stuck in this range. We have multiple highs that we can take out. I marked this high out for a reason. I'm not gonna target it, but if we actually make and are be able to push through this and get like some sort of displacement, retrace and a flip, I'm willing to target this second high. This looks pretty clean, I would say. Doesn't look that bad. But yeah, right now we are kind of stalling around. We could easily reach this 1 hour gap. Oh no, okay. ES is literally dumping. ES is literally dumping, as you can see. And we have multiple stacked lows, I would say. We have equal lows right here. And we have this low as well, so I gotta be cautious of that. Kind of seems like you wanna take those out, so I'm just gonna send the screenshot in to my Discord, and yeah, then we are balling. So those are my drawn liquidities. This is how I look at the market. We also just swept out on ES. This on ES. We have. Do we have an SMT? No, we don't have an SMT, but we are displacing immediately of this sweep, internal sweep as well. Pushing lower, really aggressive displacement right here. So let's see if we can catch something lower. But guys, I wanted to mention one thing, one really important thing. It is Wednesday, so you have 48 hours time in order to join and to participate in this 50% off with Alpha Futures. And on top of that, Alpha Trader is live. Boom, as you can see, you can use my code Milad or any other influencer's code if you want to support the influencer. I don't really care, but I just wanted to mention that so you don't miss out on that. If you want to tap in, I don't know, explore more firms, get an account, this is the perfect time. 0 accounts, pretty. I think like the 50K is $55, and on top of that, like I'm already doing a giveaway of 1 account. We have 50% off, unlimited use. You can buy as many accounts as you want. On top of that, I'm adding 225 0 evals into the giveaway pot. So I'm giving away 3 accounts, and every single account that you get with my code is 1 entry. Don't forget to send me proof, and you're able to get up to 3 accounts from my side, literally for free, by not doing anything besides getting, like, using my code. But yeah, enough yapping. Right now it is time for trading. I'm gonna hop on the lower time frame and just kind of see. I want to see NQ kind of start following, also just pushing heavy lower, get a normal retrace, and then a flip. This would be perfect because ES would come really close to the draws, get this retracement, and then an amazing flip. This would be nice. This is something that I'm looking for, but oh yeah, I gotta sneeze. Okay. So right now, just waiting for displacement. Let's see whether we're gonna get it or not. Okay, I guess so. I hope some of y'all did not took a short and bottom blasted right here, because oh my god, this is only a 40, like this is already a 46-point candle. What the fuck? We are like, I don't know, we have crazy volume. What is this candle? 77 points. You gotta imagine if you're entry with 1 mini right here, and you let it ride for this 1 candle. Like you entry right here and exit at the bottom of the candle. You will literally make 1.4K with 1 mini. This is insane. Even more, 1.6K. 1.6K with 1 mini and 1 candle. Crazy, bro. This is insane. But yeah, on NQ we ended up going higher, but not inversing the gap. On ES we inverse the gap. So yeah, right now, as I already told, this is kind of rangy. We are undecisive where we want to go. This is pretty weird. Like I don't want to participate in this. I want to see us pick a direction, and I'm not gonna target this side because it's too close to the range, as I already told y'all. What I'm trying to, I think I just gotta be patient. Like if we start correlate on NQ and ES, I can take shorts on ES. But if you finally pick a direction higher, I can long NQ if you are able to kind of displace through this high cleanly. Boom, get something higher. Boom, get a retrace and a flip, then long to those highs, something like this, you know. Um, but yeah, literally, also realized a few days ago how important it actually is to stay patient in trading. Because if you want to jump the gun, if you want to take a trade, you might be like you might know what you need to do in trading. You might know the technicals. You know where the market's going, what the market's trying to do. You even have your psychology all together. You know you shouldn't revenge trade. You shouldn't do this and that. You are not doing it, but because you are impatient, if because you have one flaw, this leads you to overtrading, red trading, and all the other stuff. So I realized how important it actually is to stay patient in trading. It's only been 30 minutes. We can easily just do some devious shit in the next 30 minutes, 40 minutes. We still have a lot of time. Of course, if we don't chop, uh, at least like 30 more 1 minute candles, I'm gonna stay here and wait and see what we're gonna do. So we have plenty of time. Don't jump the gun early. Wait for confirmation. Wait till we do anything, and this would be perfect for. I don't know. This would be perfect. Yeah, just gonna wait. ES is now kind of gaining more momentum. We are turning bullish as well. I don't know if this IFG holds. I'm gonna be pretty surprised. But this looks like a retrace on the 50-minute, higher time frame retrace on the 1 hour as well. We tapped the 1 hour gaps. Oh, this is setting up perfectly for a long, no? I wanted longs from the start. Now we got a SMT in a 1 hour gap. We are rejecting the 1 hour gap on ES, leaving a massive wick on the 15-minute. But yeah, I just don't like how aggressive we pushed lower and how weakly we flipped. So we could easily just go lower now, and is no space to take to the, I would say, to the first drawn liquidity. Like, I'm not gonna take a negative risk to reward ratio. Oh wait, I'm on evils. I can actually take a negative risk to reward ratio, but we have not picked a direction yet, so I'm gonna be careful. And yeah, I am risking negative risk to reward ratio on my evils. I'm never gonna do that. You're never gonna catch me risking lower than 1-to-1 on my XFAs, on my funded accounts, on my qualified accounts, you know. But on evils, I'm gonna do it, and you will see it more often. And it's not a problem. It's not some like it's all right. You need to do this if you want to pass quickly. And I don't care if you say yo risk 1K, go for 1.5R. 1.5R is still statistically lower win rate than 0.75. It is what it is. The only difference is that you are giving yourself 2 trades buffer. Like if you risk 1K and go for 1.5R, instead of only 1 trade buffer where you risk full port pretty much the whole account, risk 2K, go for a 0.75R. You gotta decide what's kind of better for you. If you have enough money and you're able to spend some money on the evals, and you actually can pass evals, and you have backtested, you have live data, you have journals, you have backtested data on the method that you're using, the negative risk to reward ratio, maybe even different sessions. If you have data on that, it's fine. It's perfectly fine what you're doing, even if you trade 0.2R. As long as you have data backed on it, proven that it is possible to pass an account and win rate is good, everything's good, go for it. Go for it and do it. Don't let other people control you. Do what you need to do and do whatever you want to do. Even if you like, only thing that you need to consider, backtest everything and gather data. That's it. That's it. Okay, we now have taken this high. So I'm just gonna announce to the Discord that I want to see a follow through, because otherwise, I don't know, it's kind of cooked. I want to see us go to the next side. This would be pretty great. This would be a continuation higher. So let's hope we push through. Like for me, I think if we don't push higher off here, I might be done for the day, because like the only way I'm gonna take something if we gonna dump like crazy, like literally insane dump, and do something like this, you know, like literally crazy one candle, boom, 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 something like this, you know, because now we ended up sweeping. We swept out this high right here on the higher time frame, and this is the same high as you can see on ES. So we got a massive SMT right here. We have this trend line liquidity we can take later on, but I don't know if we are gonna deliver lower of that. It's kind of weird because I don't know. We are also tapped to 1 hour gap. We got an SMT right here, so we are kind of ping ponging right now. That's what I'm seeing. Also, we got an internal SMT right here, so we could easily just keep ping ponging, go down, go up, go down, go up, and I don't want to participate in this. So yeah, it's time to relax, lean back, and wait till we are gonna uh either displace lower like right now even more, because I want to target those equal lows if we want to go lower, or if we are gonna flip higher now, which would be also fine. It's literally the worst price action I've ever seen in my entire life. What the fuck are we doing? Genuinely. Look at this. We have been ranging literally since market open. We have been stuck in this range. We took out this liquidity. We ended up tapping into this 1 hour gap, breaking the SMT, and we literally got 3 100 point candles. One, okay, almost. Boom. What the fuck? Since we tapped into this gap, we moved 230 points to the upside. What the fuck? Look at ES. Look at ES pumping. What the hell are we doing? Okay, I guess we are holding this bullish order flow. So right now I'm bullish. I'm bullish. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. We can literally do something crazy in the next 30 minutes, even though we are still stuck in this range. Look, we are still in this range. We are still playing in this range. We are ping-ponging like I told y'all. I told y'all beforehand. We are gonna ping-pong. It seems like we are gonna ping-pong. And what do I mean by that? It's just a bouncing up and down from the top of to the bottom of the range. Up and down, up and down. That's exactly what we did. And up re-sweeping this shit, tapped the 1 hour gap. Yes, tapped, I think, the second 1 hour gap, as you can see right here. Now it's pushing higher. Um, yeah, I mean, just gonna wait, just gonna wait. And NQ seems more bullish, of course, because ES it didn't even take out this high. So I mean, I like those candles. If we keep going with those candles, this would be perfect. Like, do something like this, boom. Now get another two massive candles, then get a deeper retrace, and then a flip. This would be amazing. I would smack this on the eval right now. Exactly this right here. To pass the account finally, but of course, not gonna jump the gun, not gonna be too hyped or whatever, because I noticed as that this is what actually ends up hitting back on me, going back to me when I'm kind of too excited to do something, to when I'm kind of expecting an outcome or I'm waiting for something to happen. This is my most vulnerable time. I end up taking the most bad trades in this time. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill out and just lean back once again because this works the best for me when I'm just actually not like, yeah, people say just get your hands off the mouse, and it kind of means just, I don't know, stay calm or whatever when you're trading, but I actually mean it. Like I mean it physically. Just get your hands off the table and move away. Like literally move away and watch from a further distance. And the best setups, as I already preached several times, the best setup is the one that literally appears in a few seconds, and you kind of recognize the setup in one blink. You come onto the charts, you see, oh, this looks good, and you immediately smack something on it. Those are the best setups, and it kind of should be like this, where you are just hands off mouse, hands off table. You are just watching. I don't know. You are maybe on your phone. You're watching reels, and you take a peek onto the charts, and you see what the fuck, this is the best trade I'm gonna entry. Then you got an entry. But as of right now, the only thing that I'm waiting is still some break higher, and it's 10:20. Usually I get off at around um like I would say the last few weeks I was already off at 10:20 most of the times, but I still allow myself to trade until 11 new AM, because I mean this is the most probable thing. This is what I backtested, and this is what ended up working. So if you keep on displacing like this, same way we did right here, 250 points. If you get another push higher, retrace, and then a flip, I'm entering this. This is exactly what I need. We are continuing on the higher a higher time frame, I would say. As you can see, the mid time frame, we are continuing higher. If we display through it, only valid short that where like literally nothing is stopping us to go higher. We can, I don't know, we can mark this unfilled 50-minute out as well. But there's nothing on the higher time frame stopping us to go higher. Only this high, and that's it. So yeah, just let's see what's gonna happen. Um, but if we are literally not gonna do anything in the next 10 minutes until 10:30, we're gonna keep playing this range or go back down. I'm hopping off because after that it just doesn't make sense. So if you go down now or don't go anywhere, I would say, then I'm hopping off. And this was a good session. So I'm just doing something for fun. I saw we are pushing higher, and I don't know, the flip right off here. As you see, we had only a few candles, like it was one, two, three, four, 4 candles. It's a little bit too little, too tiny of a flip. So I thought we're gonna go higher, lower, fall back into the range. I just took some of my paper. It's not that deep, like this is only paper. But yeah, on the eval, as you guys can see, I already told y'all if you're gonna fall back into the range and not gonna do anything in the next 10 minutes, which we are actually not doing. We literally just fall back into the range, and I just wanna remind you to take a look on the 5-minute and the 50-minute time frame. If the 50-minute time frame looks like this, lots of wicks, and we are literally in a range. We are stuck in this range since 4:30 in the morning. 5 a.m. 5 minutes, same shit. Look at this. All those wicks. It looks like a barcode right here as well. It looks really, really bad. I don't want to participate in this price action. I want to trade something like this. Look, I want to trade something like this where we just go higher, where we have volume to go somewhere. Or for example, like this as well. Go lower, I don't know, some retrace, go lower, retrace lower. I wanna see clear movement. I wanna see clear direction. Here, boom, we go lower. It is crystal clear that we wanna go lower. Right here, we wanna go higher. It just makes sense. Boom, take this 5 minute. It just, you know what I mean? And right here, we are stalling around. We are not doing anything. We are literally just fucking around, and we are failing to break higher the whole time. So I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm not gonna stay too long on the charts and FOMO into something maybe. So I'm just hopping off now without any trades taken, which I'm proud of course, because price action is not good, but it was also pretty easy to stay out, I would say. Nothing that you can really force. Those massive candles came from some Trump news about Iran or Iraq, I don't know. So yeah, guys, if you want to tap in with the giveaway and just tap in with me, free Discord in the description. Everything is in the description. I love you guys. Thank you for the support, and we're gonna see us on Friday, I think, because tomorrow I got college and I cannot record. But I may do a trade recap if I'm gonna take something on my MacBook or on my phone. But other than that, we're gonna see us on Friday 100% on this YouTube. Yeah. See you in the next one. Bye bye.